Hello everybody, Google Drive, get more storage, can't create, not enough storage, storage full. What to do? Very easy, click on storage full and order the files by the size, clicking on there, right? And then you can select the files, the bigger ones, and just download them first and then remove. You can do it with several files. These were files that I put to prepare this tutorial. That's it. Pam, 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 pam. Many files deleted. And now, very important, go to Bin and empty Bin. Delete forever. And ta-tan, if now you update the page, Google Drive, much better. And it's getting that's it, even better. It was still deleting the files. Okay, see you next time.